Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're excited to take you on a virtual journey through one of Europe's most enchanting destinations, Italy. From the romantic canals of Venice to the awe-inspiring ruins of Rome, Italy offers a rich tapestry of history, culture, and scenic beauty. Join us as we count down the top 12 best places to visit in Italy, filled with must-see landmarks, breathtaking landscapes, and insider travel tips. So pack your bags and get ready to explore La Dolce Vita. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Rome, the Eternal City, renowned for its ancient history and iconic landmarks such as the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the breathtaking Vatican City, which houses St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Wander through its bustling piazzas like Piazza Navona and Piazza di Spagna, enjoy authentic Italian cuisine in Trastevere, and immerse yourself in the city's timeless charm. Don't miss the Pantheon, the Trevi Fountain, and the myriad of museums that showcase Rome's rich artistic and cultural heritage. Additionally, take a leisurely stroll along the Tiber River, visit the ancient catacombs, and experience the vibrant nightlife in the city's trendy districts like Testaccio and Monte. Venice, famous for its romantic canals, historic piazzas like St. Mark's Square, and the stunning St. Mark's Basilica with its intricate mosaics. Take a gondola ride through the Grand Canal, explore the Venetian Gothic architecture of the Doge's Palace, and savor the unique charm of this floating city. Visit the Rialto Bridge, enjoy a coffee at the historic Café Florian, and get lost in the labyrinthine streets and hidden gems of Venice's many islands. Don't forget to visit the lesser-known islands of Murano, famous for its glassmaking, and Burano, known for its colorful houses and lace-making tradition. Enjoy the local seafood delicacies and participate in the city's numerous cultural festivals, such as the Venice Biennale and the Carnival of Venice. Florence, the heart of the Renaissance, offering incredible art museums such as the Uffizi Gallery and the Accademia, beautiful cathedrals like the Duomo, and picturesque architecture. Stroll along the Ponte Vecchio, discover the artistic legacy of Michelangelo and Leonardo da Vinci, and enjoy the vibrant Florentine culture. Explore the Boboli Gardens, visit the Palazzo Pitti, and indulge in the culinary delights of the Tuscan capital, from gelato to traditional Florentine steak. Additionally, take a day trip to the surrounding Tuscan countryside to visit charming hilltop towns like San Gimignano and Siena, and enjoy wine-tasting tours in the famous Chianti region. Attend local music and theater performances, and experience the lively atmosphere of the city's piazzas and markets. Milan, a global fashion capital with a rich cultural scene, home to the magnificent Milan Cathedral, Duomo di Milano, and Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. Visit the upscale shopping district of Via Monte Napoleone, admire the historic Sforza Castle, and experience the city's dynamic nightlife. Don't miss the Teatro alla Scala, one of the world's most famous opera houses, and the modern architectural marvels of Porta Nuova and city life. Or explore the artistic neighborhood of Brera, visit contemporary art galleries and museums, and enjoy the city's excellent dining scene, from Michelin-starred restaurants to trendy cafes and traditional trattorias. Take a relaxing day trip to the nearby Lake Como, known for its stunning scenery and luxurious villas. Naples, known for its vibrant street life, historic sites, and as the gateway to the Amalfi Coast and Pompeii. Enjoy a slice of Neapolitan pizza, explore the Royal Palace and Castel dell'Ovo, and take in the views of Mount Vesuvius. Visit the National Archaeological Museum, which houses one of the most comprehensive collections of Greco-Roman antiquities, and wander through the narrow streets of the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visit the ancient ruins of Herculaneum, explore the beautiful coastal towns of Sorrento and Positano, and take a boat trip to the stunning island of Capri. Experience the lively local festivals, sample traditional Neapolitan pastries like sfogliatella, and enjoy the city's vibrant music and theater scene. Siena, a charming medieval city famous for its stunning Gothic architecture, the impressive Piazza del Campo, and the paleo horse race that occurs twice a year. Discover the city's rich history with visits to the Siena Cathedral, the Torre del Mangia, and the Museo dell'Opera del Duomo. Explore the Contrade, the city's historic districts, each with its own unique identity and traditions, and enjoy the local Tuscan cuisine. Additionally, take a scenic walk along the city walls, visit the historic Santa Maria della Scala Hospital Complex, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere of the city's many festivals and events. Explore the nearby Tuscan countryside with its picturesque vineyards and olive groves, and visit other charming towns like Monteriggioni and Pienza. Don't miss the opportunity to taste the famous Sienese sweet panforte and other local culinary delights. Cinque Terre, 5 picturesque seaside villages, Monterosso, Vernazza, Cornelia, Manarola, and Rio Maggiore, weaving along the rugged Italian Riviera coastline. Each village offers its own unique charm, with vibrant houses, narrow winding streets, and breathtaking sea views. Hike the scenic trails connecting the villages, such as the famous Sentiero Azzurro, enjoy fresh seafood dishes like anchovies and octopus, and marvel at the colorful cliffside homes. Take a boat tour to see the stunning coastline from the water, visit the lush vineyards that produce the region's famous Sciacquetra wine, and relax on the beautiful beaches with crystal-clear waters. Amalfi Coast, a breathtaking coastal stretch with dramatic cliffs, enchanting villages like Positano and Ravello, and stunning sea views. Drive along the winding coastal roads, such as the Amalfi Drive, known for its hairpin turns and panoramic vistas. Relax on the pristine beaches, explore the historic Amalfi Cathedral with its stunning mosaics, and wander through the quaint streets lined with boutiques and cafes. Visit the Emerald Grotto, a sea cave with shimmering green waters. Take a boat trip to the glamorous island of Capri and enjoy the local limoncello made from the region's fragrant lemons and picturesque terraced gardens. Tuscany, famed for its rolling hills, historic vineyards, and delicious cuisine, offering a quintessential Italian countryside experience. Visit the picturesque towns of San Gimignano with its medieval towers and gelaterias, Siena, known for its paleo horse race and stunning cathedral, and Lucca, with its Renaissance walls and charming piazzas. Savor world-class wines in Chianti, explore the scenic vineyards and olive groves, and enjoy the region's farm-to-table dining in rustic trattorias. Explore the Val d'Orcia, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning landscapes dotted with cypress trees, and stay in an agriturismo to experience rural Tuscan life firsthand, participating in activities such as olive oil tasting and cooking classes. Pisa, home to the iconic Leaning Tower, part of the Piazza dei Miracoli, which includes the Pisa Cathedral and Baptistery, and a wealth of medieval marvels. Explore the charming streets, take a river cruise on the Arno, and enjoy the local Tuscan flavors in traditional osterias. Visit the University of Pisa, one of the oldest universities in Italy, and discover the city's lesser-known treasures, such as the Keith Haring mural Totomondo, a vibrant piece of public art. Take a stroll through the historical Borgo Stretto, lined with shops and cafes, and visit the Palazzo della Carovagna in the Knights Square, a prime example of Renaissance architecture. Verona, the romantic city of Romeo and Juliet, offering a mixture of historical sites and picturesque streets. Visit Juliet's house with its famous balcony, the ancient Roman arena, an impressive amphitheater still used for opera performances, and the beautifully preserved Piazza delle Erbe, bustling with market stalls and cafes. Soak in the city's Shakespearean legacy as you explore the Castelvecchio Museum, housed in a medieval fortress, and stroll along the Adige River with its scenic views. Enjoy the local wines from the nearby Valpolicella region in cozy enotecas, and discover the hidden gems of the city, such as the Giardino Giusti, a stunning Renaissance garden. Lake Como, a serene and luxurious getaway, surrounded by alpine peaks and charming villages lining its shores. Enjoy a boat tour of the lake, visit the elegant villas and gardens like Villa Carlotta, with its botanical garden and art collection, and Villa del Balbianello, known for its stunning setting and appearances in films. Relax in the tranquil beauty of this northern Italian gem with its clear waters and mountain views. Explore the town of Bellagio, known as the Pearl of the Lake, with its cobbled streets and scenic vistas, and hike the scenic trails offering stunning views of the lake and mountains, such as the Sentiero del Viandante. Indulge in the local cuisine, featuring freshwater fish and rich polenta dishes in lakeside restaurants. Experience the enchanting beauty and rich history of Italy by exploring 3 remarkable destinations: Florence, Verona, and Lake Como. Florence captivates visitors with its Renaissance architecture and world-renowned art collections. In Verona, immerse yourself in the romantic ambiance of Shakespeare's tales and discover its ancient Roman remnants. Lake Como offers a serene escape with its stunning lake views, elegant villas, and charming villages. Each location provides a unique blend of culture, history, and natural beauty, making them must-visit stops on your Italian journey. If you enjoyed this overview, please like the video for more travel inspiration and guides. We'll continue to explore breathtaking destinations, share valuable travel tips, and provide detailed guides to help you plan your next adventure. Your support means a lot to us. Until next time, safe travels and see you next time.